Hey guys, so it's Tuesday and our chicks are arriving tomorrow, so we decided we would go ahead, whoa, that got bright. We would go ahead and build the brooder just so that everything was ready when our chicks arrive. So that is what we are currently, whoops. So since it's warm, we are putting them in the garage. We're just going to put them, start them off on here. We're about to build everything, just kind of cleaning up. I just think they're going to love this little corner. Alright, so in a slight plot twist, I'm going to get the chickens today because the post office just called and they were like, did you order chickens? We're like, yeah. They're like, well, they're here. So confused. So I literally we just got the call a few minutes ago. So Daniel, we're making do. He's watching Malachi. I'm going to go get the chicks and I'm really glad we decided to set up the brooder early because otherwise we wouldn't even otherwise we would have been in even more of a panic. So I'm gonna have the chickens today, so a day early. I'm so excited. All right, so socially distanced, wore my mask. We were all 6 feet apart. It was super weird, but picked up my chickens. Y'all, there they are. So gonna go take them home. And hey, girls, you chirping? There's one little chirp. Okay. So cute. Oh, you're okay, buddy. Mom and Dad are checking on their chicks. All right. Oh, this part makes me a little nervous. Is the camera on them? Can you help me with the staples? Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh! Y'all are so cute! Hi! Oh my goodness! Alright, I'm gonna take a quick video and then... Golly! Hello! Hi! How are y'all doing? Jace, what do you think? Come see! Come smell! Be nice, Jace. They're good. Good boy. Good boy, Jace. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. They're good. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. We're ready to rock and roll. Okay. Hey. Let me see. Hi. Whoop.
Oh my goodness, so big.
Alright. Okay, they said check the pasty butt. Said it'd be obvious. Well, that one. There you go. There you go. Alright. Next. Okay. Hold on. You look okay? There you go. Come on. Malachi, you're okay. you. Let's get some water. Can you get some water? There you go.
They just had to dip all their beaks in the water.
Come on, girlfriend. We already got punchy. There you go. Good job. Hey. Can you get some water? Okay. Okay, you've got one in. My little yellow girl. Hey. Okay. Usually they'll start to copy each other. Oh, they're so cute. Yeah, there you go. I'm checking it out. So I thought I would show you our nighttime setup. So Daniel, we read that since our heater doesn't have a light, that they need to have some kind of light, but obviously you don't want anything too bright because otherwise they won't sleep. So this, we felt like, created a dark enough environment. And they were just playing. I really need to make it a little darker, but a couple of them were sleeping by the heater, so just thought I would show y'all. So we're about to go watch a movie. I'm going to grab some of them to snuggle with. Want to watch Star Wars with us?
Binge in the sinister voice of the late Emperor Palpatine. Who's that? Oh, you're recording. I can't say.
Well, I hope you enjoyed our very first vlog on the channel. We're super excited to have the chicks, and we've just enjoyed snuggling with them. We really did watch Star Wars last night, or half of Star Wars, because then Daniel and I went to bed. But we just alternated. We like stopped every 20 minutes and just like switched out the chicks so that all 7 of them got equally snuggled. And it was just super special and sweet, and we're just really, really excited. So if you guys enjoyed this vlog style video, let me know in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up so I can know just to create more of these, or if you like a little more structured ones, I'm happy to do those as well. Again, this is all just kind of a big experiment for us as we figure it out, but we're really excited. There's definitely going to be more chick videos because they transform so much and change so much in just a few weeks, which is crazy because I feel like Malachi, he just like changes so much in just such a short period, and like with chicks it's even more so fast tracked. So it's like in a month I know they're totally gonna be different. So anyway, if you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so. We're mostly just gonna be focusing on homesteading stuff because that's what we love to do. So anyway guys, I appreciate y'all watching, and if you want to come hang out on Instagram, I'll show more chick videos and behind the scenes of just our everyday life. And yeah, so until next time.